Hello, I saw your question in the email. You want to find the monthly payments on a home mortgage that's $211,700 if the home is financed for 25 years at 5% interest. So they give you the formula here for calculating monthly payments. It's in the book and on the help and stuff. They tell you M is the monthly payments, that's what we're after. P is the principal, well, that's this big number here, 211,700, which I wrote here. R is the interest rate per month. And so you got to take what they give you. This is an annual one. You got to take the 5% and divide it by 12, and I rounded it. We get 0.004167. N is the number of months, the total number of months. So we're talking 25 years. Oops, that should have been times 12 there. Let me fix it. I messed up there. That should have been times 12, which that'll be, what, 300. I messed up there. So, yeah, it's 12 months in a year. I don't know why I put 30 there. 25 times 12, that's 300 months. So you just put these numbers in here. Using the calculator is going to be a challenge. This answer's wrong because I used 750 on it. I couldn't show it all on the calculator anyway. But you want to type it in like this. The parentheses is a real challenge. You got to get these parentheses right. And so P. Oops, I didn't put it down. But you need to put this number here. That's P. You put it, then you put a parenthesis, and then you want to put R, which is this number here. Then you want, divide it by, and then you got, this denominator is where it gets a little tricky. You got to put a parenthesis around the whole thing. So you got to go 1 and minus, and you got to have another parenthesis, 1 plus R, close that parenthesis. It's got to be minus 300. And you got to close, all these parentheses here. So getting these parentheses, I think, will be the biggest challenge. And, using your calculator and typing this in correctly will be a challenge. This answer's not right because I used 750. You should have used 300. If we need to, I can meet again with you and we could discuss how to put this into your calculator. Hope this helps.